but you can't put out the fire in my soul. My heart will roam like water, searching for a groove, and I found it in the verse of your mystic road. I wanna flow, flow, flow with the river. I wanna flow, flow, flow downstream.
Good morning from Palermo, Italy. It's a very beautiful but a bit hot, a bit sunny day outside. So as you guys know, I'm here for volunteering projects. I work so I go to the office like 5 times every week, and I work from 9 to 4. And since it's been a time since I stopped vlogging, and I've been putting this off for a while because I was trying to adapt to everything, like new home, new country, new language, new people, and tons of things to learn. So I was trying to adjust myself to a new environment, and finally it's the day that I start vlogging again, I should say, because I normally don't post vlogs that much. Anyways, I'm kind of in a rush. I'm trying to get ready because I need to be in the office on time. So my shoes. Okay, let's do it.
Because I know, oh yes I know, she carries me.
Okay, so I normally have breakfast in the office, but I will try to have a quick breakfast on my way, like espresso, croissants, maybe. Not croissant, cornetto. But we will see. Just a little late for the office. Okay, let's go. Definitely like my neighborhood, by the way. Why everywhere is so aesthetic? Buongiorno. So for me, one of the weirdest things is that for tram or bus, you need to have a card, but you don't need to use it. You can go straight into the station and just go about your day. It's very strange. I'm currently in the terminal station, which is called Stazione in Barbagallo, and I will take 3 or 4 stations, and I will take off in Parco Urtube station. Sometimes I get off in the other one. I'm trying to vlog, so I'm trying to vlog today for you.
Fuck that. Gotta tell him again, yeah? Yo.
Dunstan. Give me a minute, I told you I was chatting different, can't you see I'm winning? Come on, get with it, fly British boy, I'm in the end, it's just beginning, yo. Give me a minute, I told you I was chatting different, can't you see I'm winning? Come on, get with it, fly British boy, I'm in the end, it's just beginning, yo. I hope my accent doesn't throw you off. Some lyrics on my phone, nothing crazy, now let's say it on. I'm on a mission, set it hitting, smoke a zoot, you got your boy's wife, take him home, then the man be getting on. I stay spinning round the ends in a murk, I don't drive my shit absurd, but I can stay to catch a word. If I hear pops or bangs, turn the speaker to the world, better shout on my man, and cause we're moving like we heard, yeah. Got a whip, a merc, a beamer, or a Bentayg, just give me keys so I can rip around the east state. Here we cutting corners, Ben's the only mistakes. Flying checks, 50,000, I got rich taste. Whoa, you gotta shut the fuck up, when I told you I'm gifted, little lyrics test the look. In the past man was different, bucket running for the bus, now we chasing after back, so I pray the man stay in touch, yo. Give me a minute, I told you I was chatting different, can't you see I'm winning? Come on, get with it, fly British boy, I'm in the end, it's just beginning, yo. Give me a minute, I told you I was chatting different, can't you see I'm winning? Come on, get with it, fly British boy, I'm in the end, it's just beginning, yo. It's an intro to my story, so no fucking round. I got a vision brought to life, knocking around in small towns. Type some lyrics on my phone, we're making good rounds. Flying high, money sky, man, we like we touched down. I don't trip when I dip, cause these lyrics too quick. I just skirt round the ends in an extra, I whip in a strap. But my bitch got it slit when she spits, stay strapped till it clicks. You know I'm acting funny with it. Make it quick money, make a check to get a sunny visit. I'm trying to fly myself to countries with it. I can handle all the stress and make the most of all this. Yo, I've got to make a back. In the ends, I've got to rap fast. It's not impersonal, I've got to get right. This money's how I fall to make raps. Give me a minute, I told you I was chatting different, can't you see I'm winning?
So while I'm outside, I quickly want to mention what I do in the office. This is a non-profit organization that is founded by European Union, and we do run many projects, but I personally work with the communication team, and I'm actually the content creator of the team, which means I go to events, I take photos and videos, and sometimes I do remote work, like just PC work in the office. And today is gonna be a day in the office, but I'm so happy with the situation right now because the heat wave in Palermo nowadays, it's crazy. So yeah, that is actually to my advantage right now. I have such a weird love-hate relationship with going outside because inside we actually have an air conditioner, which is a lifesaver. You cannot survive in summer season in Palermo without an air conditioner. But I just want to take some fresh air, and every time I go outside it's like burning. I mean, the air that I breathe is literally burning. I do not like it anyways. So I will try to be a bit productive today.
Fuck that. Gotta tell him again, yeah?
Dunstan.
Give me a minute, I told you I was chatting different, can't you see I'm winning? Come on, get with it, fly British boy, I'm in the end, it's just beginning, yo. Give me a minute, I told you I was chatting different, can't you see I'm winning? Come on, get with it, fly British boy, I'm in the end, it's just beginning, yo.
It's 1 p.m. which means it's lunch break. I guess I need time that also So today's lunch is actually a simple sandwich. So I have some greens, cream cheese, I believe, tomato sauce with some tuna, and olive paste. I don't feel that hungry, so we will make do with that.
Some lyrics on my phone, nothing crazy, now let's say it on. I'm on a mission, set it hitting smokers out. You got any boys, why take him home, then the man be getting on. I stay spinning round the ends in a murk. I don't drive my shit absurd, but I can stay to catch a word. For hip pops and bangs, turn the speaker to the world. But I shout on my man, and cause we moving like we hold, yeah. Got a whip, a merc, a beamer, a bentay. Just give me keys so I can rip around the east state. Here we cutting
Feeling so sleepy, but I'm trying to push through because it's Friday. By the way, when you go through one door, there is another door, but here there's a small space, and they designed this area to mention the history of Sicily a bit. So as you can see, there are some days, and it actually explains many things, but I have to be honest, I haven't looked them up in detail. The office we use right now, it was used by the mafia before, but the government took this place, and now Chapez is using this place as their office. How cool is that? There is even a label here that indicates that this place has been used by mafia before, but now it is our office. Office neighbors. It's literally 37 degrees right now. So before I arrive home, I want to do a quick grocery shopping because I need to buy a few things, and I'll try my best to take you guys along with me. I still feel so shy shooting in public. Lovely home. Scusa? Prego. Grazie. Right now, when I enter a store, I can only say buongiorno, buonasera, buona giornata, I guess, and arrivederci, which means like goodbye, have a nice day. That's all I know. Almost there, but I feel so dead right now. I'm finally home, but my makeup and my dress is totally messed up because I'm sweating like crazy. It is so hot, and the humidity here is on another level. So I think I will go take a shower, but before that I need to do my exercise. Yeah, I just remembered it now. And then probably dinner, but I need to wrap up the video here. Thanks so much for watching. I don't know if this vlog is too long or too short. I feel like this vlog is gonna be too short. I don't know. Anyways, we will see, and I guess I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Fuck that. Gotta tell him again, yeah?
Dunstan.
Give me a minute. I told you I was chatting different, can't you see I'm winning?